guess what we're doing today? You guessed it. It's fishing. We're going to the same house as the last video. I think it is. Or it's called catching a catfish or something like that. And we're just gonna, it's a house out in Port Byron that my grandpa owns, but they don't live there anymore because it's like a crappy house. And yeah, that's why they don't live there. And there's like this drop off there. There's like this little nice channel out right in front of it. So hopefully we get some fish. I'll see you when we get there, or when I get a fish. All right, I'm jumping over the fence. Why? Go back to get him. All right, please don't come off. Please don't come off. Come on. It's a nice channel cat. Yes. He swallowed that. He swallowed that one. He swallowed that and it's down in his throat. Yeah, I was just putting some chicken.
We're bringing him home anyway, so just cut him and
no, it's not that
tie
deep
on
down.
something new.
It's not that deep down. I can get it.
Or whatever. Otherwise, if it's a problem, just don't waste your time.
All right.
Nice catch.
All right, number 2. Get him, Bo. Nice.
Wait, I'm like, Dad, you hold it.
I keep forgetting to record.
Dad, hold it. And I want them. I want them.
Let me net him. All right, here, net him. Bo, you might not be able to net him. You're too short, I think. All right. Lift it up. Yeah. That's a good one.
It's a very good one.
Oh yeah, let's go. We're having a fish fry, dude. We've already got like 3 or we got 5 in our fridge already. We got one right there. So that's 6, 7. We have 7 oh, right in the corner. Look at that. Perfect hook set, Dad. All right, let me unhook this fish.
I will give them
I can't get this. Here we go. Look at this fish.
You got some pliers.
I have pliers. I just don't have. I just didn't get him. All right. Fish number 2. All we need is one more, or none more. I don't really know if we need any more, do we?
Probably take one more.
All right, yeah. So we're gonna get back to you if we catch another one. We probably will. Remember when I told you last time that I get to reel it in?
Wait, who is it? Catfish?
Reel my worm in, though. Reel my worm in. That one, yes. That's the one. Hurry up. Reel it in fast. 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 Reel it in fast, bud. Reel it in fast. Reel it faster, but what are you doing?
Where's that fall? Where's that fall? Flying? Roll it?
All right, you're good. Let it leave. Set it down. Yes. He's a fighter.
Whoa, he's a big fighter. It's a bird.
It's a tiny channel cat, but he's fighting really well. Well, go get the net, bud.
Where is it?
I kind of thought this one was a flathead for a second.
I found it.
All right, good. Get it, Bo.
Come in here, boy.
Lift it up. Oh yeah, bud.
It's a small boy.
Yeah. All right, let's bring him up. Oh, be careful.
Nice fish.
Yep.
Catch and release from now on. That's all we need.
Yep, this is all we need for sure. In the corner.
Come in this bucket. It's so
Look at that. In the corner, just like the last one.
time up with this.
I have to get the,
Mm-hmm.
what's it called, pliers. But where'd you put my pliers? Oh, here we are. We got the pliers. Hey, Bo, no, don't go there, Bo.
I'm checking if they
Come on.
stop. I'm
Alright,
checking.
I got the hook out.
I want to see a
Here's my
catfish.
fish.
I want to look at a catfish.
Here's my hand, here's my fish. Nice sized fish, like a pounder probably.
This one's
Oh, we gotta put him in the stringer.
gone.
Alright. That's muddy. Oh. Oh my gosh! Both of these catfish almost just got away. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You do not know how scary that was.
Super scary.
Alright. Alright, here we go.
Another keeper.
Yep. Put him right. Let's put him right here.
One next to me.
I don't know. Perfect. Alright.
How if they are so white?
Almighty Mississippi.
Let's see how they're doing. That's where they are. The fish. Alright.
Walk slowly. Don't push me. Now what do I do? That's big.
Alright, I just caught a tiny channel cat. Like a hand compared to my hand.
So
Stop, Bo.
I want to touch him.
He'll spine you so easily, Bo. Whenever they're small like this, their spines are extra sharp. Look at that channel cat, dude. He's so tiny. All right, you wanna lip him? Lip him, bud.
No.
All right, I'm gonna let him go.
No.
You wanna
No.
lip him? Throw him away. Throw him back.
I whip him.
Just hold him like that and just throw him.
How?
Throw him in the water, bud. Just throw him in the water. All right, hurry up. Hurry up, bud.
I will show him.
Well, good job going where no one can see it, Bill. There she goes. All right.
End up in my other line.
Yeah, I think you're in your line. All right, my dad's got a fish. Got my spotlight for a second. That's my pole. Oh, I'm getting bites on the Sherman. No way.
Might be me. No, it's me. It's me. I hung up on you two. I got into two of these.
Oh, there's the fish.
Oh, there he goes. He's running.
Where's he at? Where's he at? Let me bring in my pole. There we go. I brought in my pole. This is chaos, dude. My dad's got a nice fish. Oh, all right, sorry. Sorry about that. I didn't get to show him for like 15, 20 seconds. The fish is right there. Nice channel cat, it looks like.
You got your net.
Yep, I'm getting the net right now. I'm getting the net right now. Yeah, that was a dog coughing. I've been hearing that all night. Alright, move. Yeah, I'm gonna net him. Alright, turns out I want to net this with a net in my hand and a spotlight in my hand.
Oh, I got one.
And a phone in my hand.
I want them.
My first fish of the night.
But let me net him. Oh yeah, perfect. Oh, you net him, bro.
Oh, it's close.
Alright, let's go, bud.
I got him.
My brother's gonna net him. My little brother.
Okay.
Grab that net, bud. Alright,
Coming up to you.
he's got his net. Alright, come on, Bo.
Water.
Get that fish, bud.
Put it in the water. Get the nose in the water.
Yep, get the net in the water.
Oh, that's my hat. That's my bell. Ah, good job.
Nice job, Bo. That's a good fish, Dad.
He felt good.
Yeah, I'm sure he did.
Nice.
Look at that fish. That's a chunky, fat, girthy, long fish. Huh?
Let me in the fence.
He's blind in one eye. It looks like, at least. I don't know. I think my big pole just got bit. This pole that I'm pointing at right here, that's got cut perch on it. Alright,
Oh, he's so pretty, dude. Look at him.
he is pretty too.
You got your pliers out?
Yep. I'm gonna go get him. Well, I know where your hammer's at, Dad. Alright, here's this. Let me get him.
He's got the net hung up in the treble hook, too.
Let me get him. I'm gonna get him. The treble hook's in the net and the fish.
Don't get my net. That's why I wanted to do it, because you got my net and everything, man. Let me have it.
Really?
Oh, I just didn't want my net to get pinched in the pliers.
Alright. It's a pretty catfish. Very pretty catfish. Get that
I
hook
gotta
out.
go pee.
Okay. You can't get this out.
Yeah, it's like wrapped up in here.
The hook's wrapped up.
Not only is it hung up in the net,
It's like,
I don't understand how he did that.
let me feel it. I'm gonna feel
Hands
it.
up there. Okay, watch out. Look out, look out.
Oh, he's unhooked. He's practically unhooked.
No,
Yep,
it's
grab
just
that.
his whisker.
Yeah. He was just hooked by his whisker right there.
Well, that net was all wrapped up with it. That was
Yeah,
the worst
and
part
then
about
he
it.
got hooked back. Alright. Let me lip him. A second, I got him.
Let go.
I got him.
Let go.
Alright.
I gotta do it for a minute.
Alright.
He won't open his
Dad,
mouth.
smell his mouth.
He won't open his mouth. I pulled his whiskers. Get me in there.
Alright. Let's go.
Oh, my goodness. And I touched your pole with my
Yep.
heel. Sorry,
He had to
fish.
do
That
it.
was my bad, buddy. I'm getting you back in the water.
He had to do it. He
Yeah.
had to.
I want to do it.
Alright, let me get my spotlight. Wait a second, Dad. Bo, you've let enough fish go. You let Dad do it. He hasn't even caught a fish yet. You've caught like 2, Bo. Alright,
Here he goes.
here he
He's
goes.
talking.
He's talking.
Ooh, he's gone.
There
He's
she
right
is.
there.
I see him. There.
He's
Oh,
still right there.
she's still.
Where's it now?
I think he went underneath the dock. I bet he did. He'll figure his way out.
Alright.
That was fun.
Alright, Bo, get him. Reel.
I'm going to the game.
Alright, go.
Gotta go.
Yep, walk around the fire. Alright, rod tip up, bud. Rod tip up. Okay, start reeling. You don't want him to get snagged. I have to do the same deal as last time. Alright, I'm coming.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, rod tip up, bud.
Watch it up.
Yep, rod tip up. Perfect.
He's a fighter. Watch out for that hook.
Yep. Where's he at?
He's a fighter.
Yep, it's a perch. It's a nice perch.
Get him.
Alright, bro.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna net him. Bring him up to me. Bring him up.
I got him.
Perfect.
Oh. Whoa, he's a fighter.
Yeah.
Bring him.
Let's go, Bo.
I got one.
All right, let's walk through this gate.
Teamwork.
Teamwork, yeah, that's true. We did do some teamwork right there. All right.
Some good teamwork.
Yeah, it is. Let's go, Bo.
Teamwork.
All right, look at that perch.
He's one.
That's a good sized perch right there. That's a
Whoa,
pounder.
he's a big one.
It's a pounder too. He's barely hooked.
Whoa, whoa.
Skin hooked.
Stop, stop. Stop, boy. Stop, stop.
Stop, stop, stop. He's gonna spine you, Bo.
How do you
These
hold
perch have
Ribbon.
sharp spines, bud. All right.
Here's a yellow one.
Ow, he just spined me. All right, I'm gonna throw him back because he's too spiny for you, bud.
Okay. So I'm out there.
Yep, get my spotlight, bud. Get my spotlight.
It's right.
Yep, grab that, bud.
It's not on yet. I'll just turn it on.
Turn it on.
I get it.
Just like a gun. Pull that trigger. All right, turn it on. Perfect. All right. There he goes.
Here he is.
There he is.
Where's he going?
He's going somewhere. I don't really know where he's going.
going
right now.
under here.
Here, let me see. Oh, shit. There he is.
What is he do? Why is he just laying there?
I don't know.
Maybe he wants to.
He's still there. See him?
Yeah.
He's still there for some reason.
Why is he still?
He's not swimming away. Yeah, he'll go away sometime.
Is he right there?
All right.
Where is he?
Good catch, Belle. Look at the camera. Good catch, bud.
Yeah. Big one.
Oh, yeah. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to press like and subscribe. Thank you.